This video is part 2 and continuation of how to check whether values in multiple cells are equal or not. So we should be able to put a function here on one cell and be able to drag it down to determine this very quickly for multiple values. For this, we're going to use two different functions. We're going to use AND function and the exact function. So you're going to do an equal sign, then type in AND, open parentheses, then do another function of exact, open parentheses again. And then you want to select all the cells where you're trying to see whether they are equal or not. For this instance, we have A2, B2, C2, and D2. Next, press comma, and then you want to select any of the 4 values that you had just selected previously. So it doesn't matter which one, I'm just gonna click, just for instance, I'm gonna click B2 here. Then close parentheses, and then close parentheses again. One of the most important part about this function is that you want to make it an array formula. So if you just press enter, you're going to get an error. What you need to do is go back to the formula. On your keyboard, hold Control and Shift, and then press enter. This is going to activate the array formula. You can see the sign we have here. That will give you the actual value. Again, you can drag this all the way down to be able to figure out whether the values of the 4 are equal or not.